Here we are today, just going to clean out gutters for you. This is the machine we use, Skyvac Interceptor. It's got a Honda GX160 engine on it. Got the carbon fibre poles which go up to your gutters, and Mel's here with the survey camera, so Mel will record everything for you. We've now got water coming up the hose pipe, going through the holes and coming out the top. And now just lift it up so you can see water coming out. So we're just flushing the pipe. Then we just listen. The down pipe out. And you see here there's water coming out of the bottom. So it looks as though the pipe underground may be a bit blocked, but whoever did all the resin, you can't get to it now, to the actual drain. So what I will do, see how this goes. If this carries on, you're going to have to ring Drain Master. That's the best company to call. They're based in Scunthorpe in Bottisford, and they'd have to take all this pipe out and put a camera down and their system to flush the pipe underground. As it might clear, now we've emptied the top of the downpipe. I'll keep an eye on it, and if it continues when it rains heavy, you will have to ring them up. There's nothing I can do there. We've done everything we can, but this is underground now, I think, where the pipe's blocked. We're just leaving now. As you see, the water has drained away. So hopefully, by us putting a lot of water in it, it has flushed the pipe underground a lot. So hopefully it should be okay. But like I say, if it does come over again, you may have to get somebody out. But looking at that now, it has soaked away. Thanks a lot. See ya.